Hey there, and welcome to Structured AI Notes. This is the place where we are finally bringing some much-needed order to the chaos of learning artificial intelligence. So let me guess, you're dreaming of a career in artificial intelligence, aren't you? You can see the future, you feel that excitement, and you want to be right there in the middle of it, building it. But let's be honest for a second. It's tough out there, right? You're getting hit with these crazy expensive courses, you're drowning in a sea of unstructured YouTube videos, and you're left feeling like you're trying to piece together a giant 1,000-piece puzzle with no picture on the box. Well, guess what? That's all about to change. Because this channel, we created it with a very, very specific mission in mind. Our mission, it's pretty simple, but it's powerful. We want to democratize AI education. That means we're providing completely free, totally structured notes and tutorials that follow a real-deal AI engineer learning path. Zero paywalls, no barriers, just pure learning. So you're probably wondering, what exactly is Structured AI Notes? Well, it's this open educational project I kicked off. My name's Neeraj, by the way, and I'm a software engineer. Basically, I'm documenting my own journey into more advanced AI, and I'm sharing literally everything with you. All my detailed notes, my code, my summaries, everything. And look, when I say structured, I really, really mean it. We've got a complete 6-month learning path mapped out for you. Seriously, it's designed to take you all the way from the absolute fundamentals to advanced job-ready skills. So let's take a look at the entire journey, your complete AI roadmap. First, we're going to build a rock-solid foundation with Python and data science. Then, we dive into the core of it all, machine and deep learning. From there, we'll tackle the really exciting stuff, modern cloud and generative AI. And to top it all off, we'll finish with advanced specializations and a capstone project so you can really prove what you know. Okay, so how does this actually break down into playlists? Let's get into it. First up, the foundations. We're going to build that groundwork with Python for AI and apply data science with Python. These are the absolute must-have essentials. Then, once we have that base, we dive deep into the core of AI. We're talking machine learning using Python, a full-blown deep learning specialization, and then we'll explore the fascinating world of natural language processing, or NLP. And of course, we're focused on what's happening right now. This is the cutting-edge stuff. We're going to cover generative AI literacy, dive into advanced Gen AI, learn how to build agentic AI solutions, and we'll even cover the Microsoft Copilot Foundation. Super relevant. And finally, it's all about making sure you can actually apply this knowledge in the real world. So we'll get you prepped for the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals certification, that's AI 900, and we'll guide you through a complete AI engineer capstone project, so you can build something amazing to showcase your talent. But you know, this channel is about so much more than just watching a bunch of videos. We're really trying to build a whole new way to learn this stuff. I mean, think about it. The old way, it was all about high costs, not enough resources, and you were basically learning all alone. The Structured AI Notes way is totally different. It's 100% free. It's packed with free PDF notes and resources, and maybe the most important part, we're going to do this together, as a community. So, what do you actually get with every single video? This is the good stuff. You get downloadable PDF study guides, so you can focus on learning instead of just scribbling notes. You get the full code snippets. You get key concept cheat sheets for super quick revision. And, of course, clear timestamps so you can jump right to what you need anytime. And just look at the tools you're going to master. We're talking about the bedrock of the entire industry here. Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Powerful AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. Cloud platforms like Azure. And of course, the essential frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. This is the real-world toolkit. So if you're an aspiring AI engineer and you're looking for that clear, structured path without the insane price tag, then I'm inviting you to join this journey with us. Seriously, forget all that confusion and forget the cost. Your structured path to becoming an AI engineer, a real, practical, and totally accessible path, it starts right here, right now. And you know what? Your entire journey can start with just a single click. Go on, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's start building the future together. Oh, and hey, you can also find us over on LinkedIn and Instagram for even more updates and notes. Just search for @StructuredAINotes. I am seriously so excited for this, and I can't wait to see you in the very first lesson. Let's do this!